Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've been wanting to start your own hair business but don't know where to start, this video is for you. I sell pre-built hair dropshipping stores for just $50, so you can get started today without the stress of building everything from scratch. Now, what is hair dropshipping? So dropshipping hair is the easiest way to start a hair business. You don't need to hold inventory. So when a customer orders from your store, your vendor ships the product directly to them. It's simple, low cost, and perfect for beginners. Why start a hair business? The hair industry is growing every year. Wigs, bundles, extensions are always in demand. And the best part, you can run this business from home on your own schedule and scale it as you grow. Here are a few quick and easy steps to get started. Number 1, pick your niche, whether that's wig, bundles, or extensions. Number 2 is get your website set up. Number 3 is connect with reliable vendors. Number 4 is add your branding and start marketing. And number 5 will be to start promoting on social media, whatever platform you do choose. But you have to promote because that is how you will get sales. Now, I do know building a website can be, kind of annoying, and finding vendors can take a lot of time. That's why I created pre-built hair dropshipping stores for just $50. These come ready to go with vendors already synced. So all you have to do is start promoting and focus on the marketing. And if you want to know how the store comes, this is just an example. You pretty much get to pick your own template. Link in the description for more information. I have like pink, purple, teal, black, and gold. It comes with like a logo template. I will sync the vendor for you, but this is just an example, just in case you want to see how the store actually looks and how it comes. Now, this is the most important part, getting sales. So to make sales, focus on marketing, post consistently on social media, Instagram, TikTok or YouTube, share reels, tutorials, and transformations. You can even work with influencers to get more eyes on your products. Check out Fiverr, type in UGC creators so they can help promote your products. Now, this is more into detail of what actually comes with a pre-built store. So you will have access to a logo template. We can add your business name, and then you can pick which theme template that you do want, which is linked in the description. 10 items will be synced, whether that's like wigs, bundles, closures, and then we will design the website, sync the vendor, and you will get helpful guides and tutorials. We don't leave you along the way. So more into detail pretty much after the store is transferred to you. You'll receive a few guides. The first guide is how to receive your store, which shows you step by step how to transfer the store to you so you can receive it. Everything will be sent by email. The next is learn your store guide, digital, so you can learn how to run your store. And the 30-day hair content plan is now back included. I used to sell this, but then I started thinking like this should actually be for free. It's going to help you guys. So if you already bought a store from me, let me know. Say, hey, I want the 30-day hair content plan. I'll send it. Now, let's get into the most asked questions I do get. What if I already have a Shopify store? Fran, that is fine. All we would need is your Shopify URL and the PIN code, and I can request access and upload any of my templates. Does the vendor offer branding? No, they do not. So with branding, what you can do is order from the vendor, ship it to you, and then ship it to your customer. That's if you want to do that, if you want to brand. But I will also link more FAQs in the description for more information.